3.5. Is it actually new? 5? Let's see. So as promised, the video comparison 3.5 ItsFPV Era 3.5 Mini or 3.5 Bando Killer by Lethal Conception. Conception. Anyway, two 3.5 drones, two freestyle drones. I mean, you know, you watched the videos before. I was flying with Era Mini and I loved it. I loved it. How it flies, how it handles and everything. And as you saw the previous video, I finally finished the build of Bando Killer 3.5 and I was so impressed by this drone that I was like, no way, I need to compare these two because they are amazing. Anyway, so let's put specifications of each drone on a screen now, and as you see, I have exactly the same stacks. I have on Era Mini is 04 Pro and on Bando Killer is 04 Lite by Flyvo. I mean, amazing option if you want to be flying digital. I mean, hands down, head down, everything down, that Flyvo made it amazing. Anyway, so let's fly with them. Let's do the same comparison of the tricks. So basically it will be split S, it will be power loop, it will be switchback, oh definitely, Matty, we'll try Matty, and we'll see maybe some yaw spins or reverse yaw spin or something like that. Need to learn new tricks. I mean, in the end of the day, I mean, this is all about freestyle. So, and as you can see on both of them, I have double bladed props because unfortunately 3 bladed props is still on the way, so I still didn't get them, so they are exactly the same. So Era Mini is 252 without the battery, Bando Killer is 227 without the battery. So I will put as well, because now I don't remember how much is exactly with the battery, so I will put the total weights now on the screen so you can see which one is heavier. But keep in mind that here is 04 Pro, which is by default heavier than 04 Lite. But to try to even them out, on this time I will not be checking flight time, because on Era Mini I have 4S 650 and on Bando Killer I have 4S 850. So that is making a drone slightly heavier, so they should be more or less the same weight. So let's see, let's get up with Era Mini and let's see which to choose. I mean, both of the frames, both of the drones is amazing. I mean, you know. Anyway, let's get up. So first will be Era Mini. I need to switch to 04 Pro. So let's get up in the air. ItsFPV Era Mini. I mean, that is already out for a very long time. The same Bando Killer, I mean, I think that is already for ages out. Anyway, so ItsFPV Era Mini. Cruising wise and the sound wise, as it have a slightly smaller motors, it have a little bit more sound to it. Cruising wise, I can see slight vibration in the video, but I think that, so let's do split test. Nice. Split S. Amazing. Power loop. Amazing. It's already showing low battery. That's why I'm telling I need to throw out these batteries. Control wise, it's some roll. Nice. So handles very nicely. That was one very fast switchback. Switchback needs to be slow. Okay, let's do the switchback. Here we go. It's have punch to it. I mean, if you want, it can go very nicely. I mean, but exactly, you know the frame. I was flying with it already for some time, and I love it. I mean, and then that, yeah, that is my next trick, which I want to learn, but slowly. I mean, this is not about the tricks, it's about the actual drone. I mean, I love it. Control wise, trick wise, I mean, it handles very nicely. Let's try Mate. Why not? Nice. I love this drone. I mean, ItsFPV made it so nice. And exactly, keep in mind that both of them is with two-bladed props, and both of them is 3.5. Okay, so battery 5.2. I was flying around 3 minutes, nothing special, but I'm telling you, these batteries is just awful. I mean, anyway, so let's land this one. Amazing, I loved it. I mean, you know that I was flying with Era Mini for already some time, and I loved the drone, and it's quite capable drone, but as I was mentioning, all this video is actually to compare it to Bando Killer out the battery. So here you go, Era Mini by ItsFPV. Amazing, I love it. Let's get up in the air with Bando Killer. Now it's time for Bando Killer. Telemetry recovered. Of course it's recovered. If it would not be recovered, that would be awful. Anyway, so now I need to switch to 04 light. It's what, April now? It's getting hot in Cyprus again. So let's see, Bando Killer. Throttle. Okay, let's get up. As I was mentioning before, Bando Killer have slightly bigger motors than Era Mini, but that was close. That was split S basically. Split S I will tell you. Okay, power loop is nice. Power loop was done, but as I was mentioning, I mean, what exactly they done with Bando Killer that it's without any vibration dampening or whatsoever, but the video is it's so stable. I mean, come on, seriously. Some rolls, nice. Let's try the switchback. And as you see, as Bando Killer is slightly lighter, it don't have this inertia. This is the difference on 3.5, because in 5-inch you have the inertia of the weight, which you don't have on 3.5. So that was, I think I've done everything now. Now Matty, I need Matty. Let's do Matty with this one. I mean, nice, smooth operator. I love it. I love it. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I've been flying with 5 inches for some time as well, and it's like a gold standard of FPV, but I don't know, I'm starting to love the 3.5 more. I mean, anyway, it's nice. I love this drone. I love it. Nearly hit something, no? Love this drone. I love it. And okay, let's finish the battery. Let's finish the battery, and then I will tell you something. Okay, it's 3.6, the same 3 minutes somewhere flight. Let's land with this one. Here we go. That was nice. That was nice. So here you go, guys. I mean, 3.5. I mean, I wasn't so excited for some time. I mean, and when I decided to build this one, I was like, yeah, it will be fun. And it actually is. It actually is. I mean, to choose or not to choose. Anyway, let's see some comments of the flight. ItsFPV Era 3.5. Slightly heavier, so it will be easier to actually do the tricks because it have more inertia, because weight equals inertia. So when you do some trick or something like a power loop or Matty or something, or I didn't try the yaw spins, but anyway, so when you do those, the weight actually translates in the smoothness of the trick. But I will tell you, so vibrations in a video, okay, you can fix it with gyroflow. There is someone passing. It's coming here. It's not coming here. Anyway, there is a big truck passing. So, I know it is coming here. Anyway, so weight is, and the vibration in the video is slightly more. So, let's see the Bando Killer. I mean, this drone, I love it. Not so heavy, so that means that the inertia is less than actually 3.5 Mini Era, but I don't know what kind of sorcery is this. The first time I see the camera is screwed straight on carbon fiber and there is no freaking vibration at all. I mean, what exactly they done with the frame? I have no idea, but that is amazing. So okay, and plus this is a little bit bigger motors than 3.5, so, but I will tell you, so it's so close from the feel of flying. I mean, I would hands down, or whatsoever was the saying, I would suggest any of them. Someone is calling me, so anyway, I had the call, so where was we? So yeah, what I was telling about Bando Killer, about the vibration and everything. I mean, I love this drone. I like it. I will give it a try more when I will actually receive 3.6 three-bladed probes to see how they handle with this one, but with two-bladed probes, both of them is amazing. So let's see, if you would need to choose, if I would need to choose, okay, obviously I have both of them, so I didn't choose, but let's say 3.5, as I was telling, they have their own niche in FPV as a thing, so a lot of people will be telling, yeah, 5-inch is better, because the 5-inch is the gold standard of FPV. I mean, but 3.5, I like it. I mean, I like the drones and I like to fly with 3.5, but if I would need to suggest as a drones as they are now, I would say it's FPV Era, just because of 04 Pro, which here is 04 Lite, but I'm not sure. In this one you can put as well 04 Pro. It's have the camera mount for that. Camera mount, these don't have camera mount, it's just two freaking carbon fiber plates and that's it. There is nothing else, and there is no vibration or anything. I mean, you know, I will tell you, so if you are starting FPV and you need to choose, I would say go with Bando Killer, because it is actually cheaper and the flying performance is nearly the same as ItsFPV Era Mini. Okay, ItsFPV Era Mini have this freaking canopy for protection of 04. I mean, and I've bumped it many times and nothing happened, so this one didn't crush yet. So, but I'm telling you, if you are just now starting FPV and you are sort of on a budget, go with Bando Killer, because exactly, it is cheaper, and I assume that the durability would be better for Era Mini than for Bando Killer, but that time will show. I mean, I've crashed with this one, but with this one not yet. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and you have some clearer picture about these two drones. And if you have any of those, leave down in the comments what you think about the drones, and are you flying with them more or less than 5, or if you have only this or only 5, and so on, so on. Anyway, leave down in the comments what you think about these two drones, and especially for Bando Killer, because I'm telling you, this is very rare thing, because I don't see a lot of people flying with it. So if you have it, leave down in the comments what you think about it. And other than that, you know what you need to do. Till the next time, bye.